Okay, I'm just going to update on the growth in my garden. We're just starting to get some sun. We had some really cold, record cold days, overnight 40s. Here's my cucumbers. I have 3 plants that are going well. I had 2 plants that died. Don't really know what happened there, so I planted some more seeds. They'll be a little later. That's okay. And then in my greenhouse, tomatoes are doing really nicely. I haven't seen a lot of bees around. I had a lot of bees a while ago, and there's bees on all the clover out here, but I don't know. I don't see buds on those, following those flowers, so hopefully, I got 9 plants here. This is my best year for plants with this greenhouse. And then if we go over here, the sweet peas are looking really nice. And then the broccoli, it's kind of slow, but it is growing, so that's good. We got some cilantro here. And my green onions. And then here I have corn and regular peas growing. And what I was told was the peas will vine themselves around the corn stalks. Corn stalks are a little bit slower, so we just got to wait on those to come up. But there's the chicken coop behind. And there's some more. Sweet pea and corn. Not sweet pea, regular peas. And then I'm going to come around here. Like I said, I've got 2 trellises of sweet peas. Some pretty flowers growing. No pods yet, but with all these flowers, they should be coming soon. And then let's come over here. Got potatoes. This is a really cool wildflower. I have tons of it in my raspberry garden. And here's all my yellow squash. And they're doing nicely. They're all have yellow squash on it. And let's come here. There's some more here. And then my strawberries. These look super nice. And let me get in there. There's one. I see one. He's hiding. There he is. That one's red. And then there's a bunch of blooms in there. So we'll see. I just transplanted these. I didn't think I'd get anything, because I did transplant them out of, they were in the bed the squash was in. But the plants are doing well, and I've got them all fenced in. Killed a gopher this morning with a pellet gun. And then if we come over here, you've got more potatoes. I like the potato plants just because they have lots of green. And I had an extra squash, no room for it, so I put it in a planter. And then these are comfrey. And these are supposed to be good. You just chew the leaves, and they're supposed to help with my mind just went blank. Pain relief. Over.